Okay, I'm Dr. Stephen Gabel from Portland, Oregon, and I have a special guest here today. I have a patient from out of town who is on his way to the coast and popped in to say hi. We did, over 4,000 grafts over 2 procedures. The last one was about a year and a half ago, and the previous one was about 2.5, 3 years ago. So it's great to have him in here. And tell me, how do you feel now after you've had all these transplants?
Well, I'm totally pleased. I mean, everything feels great. It looks great. I'm amazed at the result. It's just fantastic.
Yeah. Was it difficult dividing them up into 2 different procedures, or that wasn't a problem?
No, I think, in fact, I prefer doing it that way. I had the crown done first, and that seemed to be adequate for quite some time. Then the hairline started to recede a little bit, and I decided to have that done. And I was glad I waited for in between to let everything heal up.
Yeah.
I mean, I didn't get impatient. I think the time spent between procedures is something the person should do, because it doesn't happen overnight. That's one thing. It's no quick fix. You have to be patient, and you have to hope for the best, and then so you'll see it happen.
Yeah, and we had talked about that in the consultation, where I told him, I said, look, we're going to do a lot of grafts. It's going to be over a couple procedures. Just be patient, because after each procedure, it's going to take a good year to get the growth. Once you're starting to grow in the one area, then we'll hit the other area, and in a few years, you'll have your final result. And which is great right now is you have grown out, and it is amazing. And how do you feel? How overall now? Are you happy with the results? What do you think?
Incredibly happy. It's exceeded my expectations. I mean, it's tremendous. Like I told Dr. Gabel in our consultation prior to this taping, I was very happy with the treatment I received here from Dr. Gabel and his staff, and the procedure itself. First few days a little uncomfortable, but after that things started to heal up pretty quickly, and followed the instructions to take care of yourself the first 30 days, and after that, pretty much
you're on autopilot.
You're on autopilot. Just wait for your hair to grow out. And I guess I was pretty fortunate, because the grafts that I had put in, pretty much the hair just started growing. Not everything fell out, and then it just sort of gradually started to fill in. And it was interesting to watch the transition from my previous condition to the way things have turned out. So.
And how about your friends? Have they commented on your hair?
Yes, they have. I mean, it's amazing. They'll make comments like, Tom's got a full head of hair and all this kind of thing. They don't make a lot of comments.
Right.
They'll say that. And there's one friend of mine who I tried to convince to have his crown done. I told him that he's a little bit skeptical still. I don't know. I can't seem to convince him it's something you can do. But he's asked me. He was pretty amazed when I had the crown done. He was pretty amazed. He saw the result. He was pretty surprised.
That's great. And how did you find us? How did you find the Gabel Center?
I found the Gabel Center online. I started looking. I live in Boise, Idaho. If that's okay to say.
Sure.
And I didn't know if there was anything local, any place to go to find. And there wasn't at that point in time. But still, it's just not a full-on operation like Dr. Gabel has. But there's a med spa that does some,
Like eye job.
Yeah. We're in Seattle, and if we go to Seattle, I was thinking I'd rather go to Portland, because it's an easier trip for me from Boise. And I looked around for specialists in Portland and found Dr. Gabel, and to my surprise, Dr. Gabel had listed his offices were in Portland, Seattle, and Boise at the time.
Right.
And he was coming over and doing consultations in Boise, then the surgery here in Portland. And that sold me there. I looked at some of the pictures on the site, and I saw the results. And the thing that really impressed me was when Dr. Gabel came over to my first consultation 3-some years ago. The gentleman walked out of his office, and he couldn't have had hair. He couldn't have had his hair grafts done. And figured I was in the right hands right from the get-go. And I
Wow.
was pretty happy. And of course, another thing that kind of sold me is when we talked the first time, he told me he's a triathlete. I don't know if he's still doing that,
I do.
but that impressed me too. So I said, this guy, he knows what's going on. So
3 Ironman.
3 Ironman, yeah.
Hopefully, I'm gonna do a 4th one. They're in the plans, but yeah, I'm starting to train again. I'm training for another marathon, and eventually going to lead up to another Ironman. So I want to break my prior record. So. Yeah, but overall, though, I mean, gosh, your hair looks so good, so natural. It fits you well, and you do all sorts of outdoor sporting activities. You're surfing and
surfing, and I go skiing in the wintertime and all that.
And it looks natural with the water and all that.
Yeah.
Excellent.
And I don't know, I'm going to make one comment here at the end. You can cut this out. But anyway, I've read the testimonials on Dr. Gabel's website, and I agree totally with everything he said there. Plus, one thing I want to add is I think the cost of having it done is incredibly reasonable. You'll spend over, I don't know, I shouldn't say exactly how many dollars, but you'll spend over, thousands of dollars, but it'll be way worth it. Once again, totally pleased with the result and the treatment I received, and it's been over a period of some time here, and I've come back for just a little short visit and a review, and I can't say enough good things about the whole procedure and the way everything's transpired over the years.
Well, thank you very much. Those are such kind words, and I mean, you've had such a great result, and that's what we want to do. We want to meet or exceed your expectations from the procedure, and I think we've accomplished our goal.
Yes, you have.
Great.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome. Thank you so much for doing this. Awesome.